and welcome back to my channel. My name is Romany, and if you are new here, hello and welcome. Today we are, well, I put this cute little top on for a start. I don't know how I'm meant to do my makeup when it keeps on doing that. Oh, for God's sake, honestly, the things you do. Today we are going to do a look inspired by Angela Bright. She did a really pretty look yesterday on Friday, and it was using the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette. I don't have that palette. I don't have any of the Huda Beauty stuff actually. I've never, I like it, I look at it, I like it, but I've never bought anything from them, from Huda Beauty. So maybe I will one day. But anyway, it's I will insert a little picture. But it's basically like a very light blue blended out with a little bit of purple with like a champagne-y gold inner, so it's a halo. So before we start the video, if you'd like to subscribe to my channel. Oh, my hands have disappeared. That helps out a lot. I've grabbed two palettes. I've grabbed the Jawbreaker palette just because I think that Brain Freeze and Gumdrop will be quite good for that, but I don't really have that inner colour. Or I do have the 35i from Morphe Icy Fantasy. I was thinking maybe that blue there blended out with that one, and there's a couple of colours I could pop in that middle. Let's just swatch them first. So that's from the 35i, the Jeffree Star one. Those purples are very, very similar, pretty much exactly the same. I think I'm going to go with the Jawbreaker palette, and then I've just got to find that middle shade. Oh, look, I just look like I'm naked, don't I, if I'm too close? Fabulous. You really don't want that in your life. Let's zoom you in so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so she obviously primed her eyes with the MAC paint pot. I'm just going to do my Wet n Wild concealer. Oh god damn it, this sponge honestly dries out in seconds. I'll really get into that crease in this eyeball. Right, I'm just going to set that just slightly. This is my powder brush, so it's just got a little bit of excess powder on it. I need some new brushes. I use the same, oh, it smells delicious. I washed my Verumen colour switch a little while ago with some fruity hand sanitizer, not hand sanitizer, hand soap, and it still smells delicious. Anyway, what was I saying? Yeah, I need some more brushes. I've got, most of my brushes are the Morphe brushes, and I've got a few of the Real Techniques brushes, but I would like to try some other brushes. Okay, so we're going to go in with Brain Freeze first of all, and I'm just going to pop that just on the outer, up to, I'm just going to go past my natural crease and in the inner, just pack in that on the outer and inner. Let me just do the other eye. Wipe off using my Verumen colour switch, and then I'm going to dip into that purple shade, which is Gumdrop, just a little bit, and all I'm going to do is just blend out slightly above Brain Freeze. So you just get that pop of purple. Look, this eye, it always comes out better than this eye. This eye, I've got a little dry patch there. I've got a patch there that just doesn't want to stick. On hers, she just had a very slight bit of purple, but I like it that slightly bit deeper. I'm just going to reapply some of that blue, that Brain Freeze, sorry. Okay, so that's what we've got so far. Okay, so I've gone into the 39L palette, the Hit the Lights palettes from Morphe, and I've got these two here. Can you see them? The sun is so bright today. Can you see those? I don't think you can even see them. Beam. And that one, Glitz On. Yeah, I think I'll go with Beam. On my ring, oh, on my ring finger, on my little finger. This is too bright. The sun has already come out. I'm taking that all the way up. And then just using my finger to just blend it over onto that Brain Freeze colour. And just do the other eye. Right, I'm just going to go in with that brush. No extra product on it. Blend over. See how soft and pretty that is. Okay, so I'm just going to pop off. Did I do my whole base? I might do my whole base. I'll let you know when I get back. Okay, so I finished off my face. I just popped some of the, oh my god, something nearly fell then. Too Faced Born This Way primer. I used the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and I popped it on some Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood some Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter for Superstar Youth Glow. Whew, why is that so long? Mixed in with it a little bit. I set that all with the Hourglass translucent setting powder. I used a little bit more of the Wet n Wild concealer just in the normal areas, and then I just scratched my nose. And then I bronzed with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer and some Huda bronzer as well. And then I went in with a couple of different blushes just because I couldn't find the right blush, and then I went in with one. It had a gold tint to it, so I don't know if you can see that. It's made my cheeks very shiny. And then I've just highlighted around my face with that Beam shade from the 39L palette. Okay, right, so we're going to go back into Brain Freeze, and we're just going to run that blue Brain Freeze colour all along that bottom lash line. Might need a different brush actually. Use a little detailer brush, a Real Techniques detailer brush. Get that stamped on. God, that stamps on nice. Just use that brush just to stamp on some more of that colour on my lid actually. So I'm just going to use that brush and just diffuse it slightly. She went in with a black eye pencil. I thought I got one out. Where did I put it? Hello? Ah. I did not get it out. I just looked at it, obviously. Right. I'm just using this little skinny precise, Master Precise skinny pencil from Maybelline. I'm just going to run that in my waterline. The only thing about this is because it's like that, you can't wind it back in once you've wound it back out. You don't want to wind it out too much because otherwise you can't put the lid on it, it will squash it. So you can't wind it back in, so you only wind it out a little bit, so then you end up, or I do anyway, I end up rubbing the little plastic bit on my eye, and it makes me blink and I smudge everywhere. I'm going to line mine a little bit, not on the waterline, just on the lash line. Obviously it doesn't have to be precise or neat because we're going to smudge over it with another shade. Right, so she went in with a dark purple. I'm very tempted to go in with Delicious, which is a dark blue. Oh my god, how can I lose so many things? Oh, it's here. I'm going to go in with a very tiny little pencil brush, and I'm going to go into that Delicious shade, just tap that on the end, and we are going to smudge that along and smudge out that black eyeliner. This brush is not very kind to your bottom waterline, it's very stiff. Oh, it's very scratchy. Right, and then we're going to smudge along that top as well. Oh, and absolutely fabulous, that very corner there. My eye's watering so that it's not sticking. God, I love that. Alright, I'm just trying to wing it out a little bit, but my eye has began the watering process. That pencil, look, it's come straight off. I guess it doesn't say that it's waterproof. I'm going to go in with my L'Oreal Infallible Gel Crayon, 24-hour waterproof, and this is pretty good. I find this one stays on. Might as well tight line. Oh god, I hate tight lining. I don't know why I do it. I don't like doing it. Don't do it. I'm also going to put that beam shade up here as my brow highlight. Just a tad. Just there, just on the very arch. Quite like. I've got this Revolution highlighter and it's got a purple shift to it. It's very pretty. I was wondering whether that would... Have I ruined it? No. I love taking my inner corner highlight up here. So it just goes into that purple. Yeah. I'm going to go in with, oh, why am I not in focus? I'm going to go in with this, another teeny tiny pencil of mine. This is Tiramisu. This shade is pretty much my lip colour. I'm literally going to put that one on, and then I'm just going to pop a lip gloss over the top. Okay, I'm going to go and pop some mascara and lashes on, and I will be right back. So this is the finished look. I just popped on some lashes from Tarte. These are the Man Eater lashes, and a little bit of a lip gloss over the top of that lip pencil, and this is the finished look. Let me just zoom you in just slightly so you can see the eyes. Very pretty, very spring, but colourful, and I love them. I love them, I love them, I love them. Anyway, hopefully you enjoyed that video. My recreation of Angela Bright's eye look that she did with the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, comment how you thought I did, and I will see you all next time. Bye!